All right, we've got 3 of the most popular helmets, and which one is best and why? Let's go over that. This helmet is great for if you're just doing flash work and tacking. You can hold this up to your face, you can put it back down, you don't have to put a helmet on. This one's great if you're doing TIG or something where you really want to just look through an auto darkening and you don't feel like popping your hood up and down. That's perfect, but it's not good for arc welding and it doesn't have a safety thing on it. This one's good for overall welding. You don't have to flip your hood up if you don't want to. You can use the whole hood to flip up, or you can use this part. This part is good for grinding and chipping slag, and this part is good where if you want to remain stationary, it's got these tabs you can lift up, look, pop up and down. This is the one I prefer for grinding, arc welding, MIG welding, and basically rough work where you don't wear safety goggles and you need to have this on without pulling your helmet on and off all the time. Those are the 3 reasons why I like those helmets, and especially this basic one right here because it offers the most protection and versatility. If you like this one for underneath areas that are tight, this also works well when your helmet can't fit in there. Anyway, those are the tips. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.